Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Genius3.0. This is your channel where we train your brain and make mathematics easier for you. Today, let's know how to calculate percentage of any number easily. Yes, we can calculate the percentage of any number within few seconds. Now let's calculate 6% of 1650. Step 1. You first calculate 10% of 1650, that is 165. In second step, you calculate 1% of 1650, that is 16.5. Now we already calculated 1% of 1650, that is 16.5. Therefore 6% of 1650 will be 6 times the 1% of 1650, that is 99. Let's verify the answer in calculator. 1650 into 6%, and the answer is 99, which we have already got by calculating. And guys, there is no necessity of calculating 10% of a given number before calculating 1%, because 10% is not required. I calculated to make you understandable in an easier way. You can directly calculate 1% of a required number and find the solution in an easier manner and faster. By following this method, it decreases your time. Now, I will take one more example and calculate 1% directly without calculating 10% so that you can understand in a proper manner. Come, let's find 4% of 8600. Step 1. Calculate directly 1% of 8600, that is 86. Therefore, 4% of 8600 will be 4 times the 1% of 8600, that is 4 into 86, which is 344. Come, let's verify. 8600 into 4%. We got 344, the same answer. So, practice more problems and train your brain. And subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon for more videos that makes your brain sharp. Thanks for watching.